Begin by finding a comfortable seated position with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air. Hold it for a moment. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Imagine yourself sitting on a soft, sandy beach. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, and visualize the gentle rays penetrating your skin, warmth to your entire body. Listen closely to the symphony of nature around you, the rhythmic crashing of the waves, the soft rustling of palm leaves in the breeze, and the distant calls of seagulls soaring overhead. As you take another deep breath, inhale the salty scent of the ocean air, mingled with the sweet fragrance of tropical flowers. Feel the gentle caress of the breeze against your skin, carrying with it the scent of sun-warmed sand and coconut oil. Now, let your imagination take you deeper into this sensory experience. Feel the fine grains of sand beneath your fingertips, warm and smooth as you run them through your hands. Hear the soft crunching sound as you shift your weight, sinking slightly into the sand with each movement. With each breath, imagine the taste of the salty sea air on your lips, tinged with a hint of sweetness from the nearby fruit trees. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in this sensory journey, savoring every sight, sound, scent, taste, and touch. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow the sensations of the beach to wash over you, melting away any tension or stress. Feel a sense of peace and serenity enveloping you, as though you are one with the natural world around you. If any thoughts or distractions arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment, and then gently bring your focus back to the sensory experience of the beach. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, embracing the beauty and tranquility that surrounds you. Take as much time as you need to fully immerse yourself in this sensory experience, allowing it to nourish your body, mind, and soul. When you're ready to end your meditation, take a few more deep breaths, slowly bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your body gently. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed, renewed, and deeply relaxed, carrying the peace of the beach with you as you continue your day. Feel the sun's warmth not just on your skin now, but within you, a glowing ember of tranquility and contentment. Let the sound of the waves become your heartbeat, steady and calm, anchoring you to this moment of perfect peace. Notice the vast azure sky above, a canvas of infinite possibilities stretching out endlessly. Allow yourself to feel the vastness of the ocean, its depths mirroring the depths within you, full of mystery and wonder. As you sit on this tranquil beach, imagine a gentle wave of relaxation washing over your body, starting at your toes and moving slowly upward. With each wave, tension dissolves, muscles relax, and your mind becomes clearer, more serene. Visualize yourself walking along the shoreline, your feet leaving prints in the soft sand that are gently erased by the coming waves. A reminder of the impermanence of worries and stresses, washed away by the tide of inner peace. As you walk, pick up a shell, its intricate design a masterpiece of nature. Let it symbolize your unique journey, the beauty and resilience you carry within. Feel the connection to all living things, a shared existence, a universal bond of peace and harmony. Let the beauty of this beach, this moment, fill you up, a reservoir of peace to draw from in times of need. With each breath, you are more connected, more present, more grounded in the beauty of now. As this meditation comes to a close, remember the sensations of the beach, the warmth, the calm, the peace. Know that this place of serenity is always within you, accessible anytime you seek tranquility. Take a final deep breath, feeling the energy of the beach infusing your spirit with calm and joy. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning to the world refreshed, with the serenity of the beach echoing in your heart, a calm oasis within wherever you go.